I'm sitting here and I'm going to show you what our website is going to look like on your phone. So if you have your cell phone and you're sitting around and you're looking for product, you can see that this is what you're going to look like on our website is going to look like on your phone. So on the top of the website shows our hours in New Liskeard and our hours in Sudbury, along with the phone number and the address of both places. As you scroll down, you can see that we have a little message here, your isolated blues, and we offer free shipping over $130 through Canada Post. And scroll down a little further and you can see everybody that you're going to be talking to at either one of the stores. So if we were to do a search on products, we can go up into the search all products, click in there. And if we were to search wide backing, you just have to put in the one word wide and hit enter, and it'll come up on some of our wide backings that's available in either one of the stores. So we want to have this teal backing. We can look at more details on it, and it shows just a larger picture. And it tells you the price per meter and the quantity. So 1 actually equals 1 meter. So we can increase that just by clicking and adding 3, because there's 15 in stock it shows. Add to the cart, and you scroll down and you're ready for checkout. And you can see here the wide backing, you wanted the price of $24.99 and the quantity is 3. And if you scroll right to left, or left to right, you'll see that the total price is there. And if you don't want it in the cart, you can get rid of it. So it also shows that your subtotal is $74.97 with $15 shipping if you want to ship it. But if you don't want to ship it and you want to go curbside, you can do that right here in this box. And I want to pick it up in New Liskeard, or I want to pick it up in Sudbury. It's your choice. I'm going to leave it there at Canada Post because I'm going to ship it. So this is where you fill out your name, your address, your phone number, and the country and the province, and your postal code, and your billing address. And you keep scrolling down. It's going to ask you for your credit card information. And then once you hit submit payment, again, much like if you were working on your laptop, you would get an email stating that your order is being worked on. And once the order is filled and completed, you're going to get another email saying that your order is ready for shipment. And if it's ready for shipment, you'll get a tracking number and you'll be able to track your package. Or if you're having it curbside, you will be able to pick it up at the curbside you desired, which would be the New Liskeard store or the Sudbury store. So I hope this clears some things up with our website. It's very easy to use, very easy to maneuver, and I'm always on it anyway. So we'll talk to everybody soon, and I hope this helps. Thank you.